Welcome. We're diving into the next phase of building a truly resilient organization. And that means talking about how artificial intelligence is completely transforming risk assessment. We're moving beyond those static, old school plans and into a world of continuous, predictive insight. So, just so you know where we are, this is the second part of our 8-part tutorial. It's all based on the fantastic guide on AI-enabled business continuity from Virtualization Options LLC. In this explainer, we're zoning in on Chapter 2, which is all about supercharging your risk assessment with AI. This is a really big deal, especially for you IT managers and senior management folks. All right, let's start with a question that gets right to the heart of it. I want you to really think about your current business continuity plan. Is it actually built for the kind of world we live in today, or is it kind of based on a snapshot of a world that, well, doesn't really exist anymore? To really get why this AI shift is so important, we have to be honest about how things have been done up until now. The traditional way of assessing risk, well, let's just say it's got some serious limitations in today's super connected world. Yeah, the old way. It's a lot like trying to drive down a highway by only looking in the rearview mirror. It's this huge manual effort that maybe happens once a year. It's always looking backward, not forward. And it really struggles with the complexity of modern IT. The biggest problem? It's incredibly difficult to put an actual number, a real cost on your risk. But what if you could just completely flip that script? What if, instead of just reacting when things break, you could actually predict and maybe even prevent them from happening in the first place? Well, that's exactly the promise of bringing AI into the picture. And you know, this quote from the Virtualization Options LLC report just nails it. This isn't just about a small improvement. We're talking about a complete paradigm shift, going from a static, once-a-year activity to a living, breathing, continuous practice that's always on. So you're probably wondering, how does AI actually pull this off? It's not magic, not at all. It's about making 3 core parts of risk assessment way smarter: understanding threats, impacts, and dependencies. Let's break those down. First up, threats. An AI can just churn through unbelievable amounts of data from all over the place. We're talking internal network logs, system performance, but also external stuff: global news feeds, social media trends, supply chain reports. It pieces it all together to spot patterns and predict potential threats before they ever hit you. Suck it. What's the real business impact? See, in today's world, one tiny failure can set off a chain reaction and cause a massive outage. AI can actually model those ripple effects. It can show you exactly how that one non-critical server feeling could actually bring your main revenue-generating service completely to its knees. And third, and honestly, this one is so critical, AI can map out that incredibly tangled web of dependencies between all your systems. It shines a spotlight on those hidden single points of failure, the ones you probably don't even know exist until it's way too late. So when you combine all of these things, you stop thinking about risk assessment as a project you do once a year. Instead, it becomes a state of constant awareness. It's a totally new way of operating. And this visualizes the end goal perfectly. You're literally transforming your risk assessment from a dusty report that just sits on a shelf into a live, dynamic dashboard. It gives you an always-on, automated view of your organization's entire risk posture, right now. Okay, now for the big one, especially for any IT managers or senior leaders watching. This all sounds amazing, right? But how do you get the budget for it? How do you actually justify the investment? Well, the answer is all about changing the conversation. You have to get away from these vague what-if arguments and start building real, quantitative financial models based on data. And that's the key. AI is the engine that makes this possible at the scale of a modern enterprise. And I mean, just look at the difference here. It's a night and day contrast. You're fundamentally changing how you make decisions. You go from reactive, gut feel choices based on what happened last year to proactive, strategic decisions based on predictive analysis, with a crystal clear return on investment. So here's the bottom line, the most crucial point of all this. We're not just talking about a slightly better tool here. This is a fundamental change in how your entire organization manages and prepares for disruptions. It's just a smarter, more intelligent way to build resilience in a world that is anything but predictable. And that really brings us right back to that question we started with, but now with a whole new perspective. The question isn't just about whether you have a plan. The real question is your organization built to react to yesterday's problems, or is it built to intelligently prepare for whatever's coming next?